Good morning to all. This is for class 6 MSc. Class 6. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4 question answers. It is on page number 23. First question is, why was Malku in the field that night? The answer is, Malku was in the field that night because he had to keep watch over the almost ready wheat field, all 10 acres of it. I am repeating the answer. First answer is, Malku was in the field that night because he had to keep watch over the almost ready wheat field, all 10 acres of it. This is your answer number 1. Now second question, what endangered the wheat crop? Second question is on page number 21. Last paragraph, first line. As Malku neared the canal, he was stunned to see that water had risen up to the boom of his field. Till here it is. Then second last line. If the bridge was not blocked, till last would be destroyed. Till here. This is your answer number 2. I am repeating, the answer number 2 is on page number 21, last paragraph, first line, as the Malku neared, till second line field. Then starting from the second last line, if the bridge was not blocked, till last destroyed. This is your answer number 2. Now question number 3. Why did Malku not seek any help? So question number 3 is on, Malku did not seek any help because that night there was a wedding in an adjoining village and most men had gone to attend the festivities. I am repeating the answer. Answer number 3. Malku did not seek any help because that night there was a wedding in an adjoining village and most men had gone to attend the festivities. This is your answer number 3. Now question 4. What did Malku do not do to repair the bridge? Question number 4. The answer is on page number 22. First paragraph, second line. He frantically began to shovel the soil from here till big stone in place. I am repeating, question number 4 is on page number 22, first paragraph, second line. He frantically began to, starting from here till last big stone in place. Till here it is your answer number 4. Now fifth question. Was Malku successful in saving the crop? The answer is yes. And then on page number 22, second last paragraph. Page number 22, second last paragraph. The wheat field was saved. From here till last line long. I am repeating, answer number 5. First you have to write, yes, Malku was successful in saving the crop. Then coming on to page number 22, second last paragraph, first line, the wheat field was saved from here till long. Now coming on to question number 6. Why did Malku's exemplary act go unnoticed? Sixth answer is, Malku's exemplary act go unnoticed because a few zamindars' men came and were unable to see Malku in the field. They thought Malku left the field unguarded, but later on they found Malku his body had gone rigid on in death. On this, Zamindar thought the fellow must have dozed off in a drunken daze and caught the chill. This is your answer number 6. I am repeating the answer. Malku's exemplary act go unnoticed because a few Zamindar's men came and were unable to see Malku in the field. They thought Malku left the field unguarded, but later on they found Malku. His body had gone rigid in death. On this, Zamindar thought the fellow must have dozed off in a drunken daze and caught the chill. This is your answer number 6. Coming on to fill in the blanks. Malku lit a fire because he felt fever that night. The answer is fever. F-E-V-E-R, fever. Second, Malku was keeping a watch over the wheat field. The answer is field. F-I-E-L-D, field. Third, the wheat field lay along an irrigation canal. The answer is irrigation. I-R-R-I-G-A-T-I-O-N. Fourth, Malku was shocked to see a gaping hole in the bund. Gapping, G-A-P-I-N-G, gapping, H-O-L-E, hole, gapping hole. This is your answer number 4. Now fifth one. The water in the canal had receded before dawn. Receded, R-E-C-E-D-E-D, receded. This is your answer number 5. Now coming on to true false. Malku had gone to water the field. This answer is false. First one is false. Second, he lit a fire towards of vermin. The answer is true. Second answer is true. Third, the wheat crop was ultimately damaged by the water. The answer is false. Third answer is false. Fourth one, Malku did not go to get help as he could not walk because of fever. The answer is false. Fourth answer is false. Fifth one, Malku lay down on the bund as he was dazed by liquor. The answer is true. Fifth answer is true. Now coming on to application question. You have to study the situation and write 2 things which you have to do and 2 things which you do not have to do. Like this. Here is a condition and you have to write 2 things what you will do in this condition and 2 things what you will not do in this condition. So this is your homework. You have to do it by yourself. Now B part. In B part, you have to tick whether this statement is responsible or irresponsible. This you have to do. And you have to do it by your own. This is also your homework. All this, in this you have to read the sentence and find out whether it is responsible act or irresponsible act. Now C part. In C part, you have to write down according to you are your responsibility towards the mentioned domain. Means what is your responsibility towards yourself, towards your family and towards your country. These responsibilities you have to write. So this also is your homework. You have to do it by your own. Now chapter number 4 is completed. In next video I will provide you chapter number 5. Till then, thank you.